Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Teresa Michele, and today's video is sponsored by Luxe Cosmetics. Luxe Cosmetics sent me their Luxe Lash Lift Set along with their Luxe Eyelash Serum, Luxe Tint Set in black, and hair growth serum. I cannot wait to try all of these products. I am so excited. But in today's video, we are going to just be using the Lash Lift Set. So let's get into it. I read the directions on the back of this kit, and the only things you need are what is in this kit and cling wrap. Inside the kit, we have the adhesive, the perm lotion, fix lotion, nourish lotion, the Lash Lift Set lash comb, lift pads, and the applicators. All right, you guys, we need to just take a look at these lashes right now, okay? Now, I got some little bitty lashes. Let me get in a little bit closer. Okay. Look at these lashes. Let me look down. Look at how short my lashes are. All right, so you want to start off making sure that your eyelids and your lashes are clean. I did that multiple times, so I'm good to go with that. First thing we're going to do is take these lash lift pads, and then it gives you a little diagram. So right here, it tells you what size for what curl you're looking for. So for me, I am looking for a medium curl. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so I'm going with M. So these packages are labeled M times 2, meaning that there's 2 of these silicone lift pads in there. So right above your lash line, place it on there. And this is very sticky. So then you want to press it down. All right, now we're going to take this adhesive and we are going to rub it across this silicone right here. And we're going to wait 10 to 15 seconds for it to dry a little bit. So then the lashes will just stick to it. A little glue there. All right. We'll just push it up. Now it says to be patient because the lashes will not just immediately stick. All right, so we got to be patient. All right, now I'm using a flat end and I'm pushing it up there so that it will stay. And then I'll take the comb and comb it out and do what I gotta do. Okay, so they're up there, okay? This looks so crazy. So I'm taking the comb and I'm combing it up. I want to try to separate them and have them, look really nice and neat. You really do need to be patient with this. Okay, so now we got to apply the perm. And it's optional to use the cling wrap. Let's take an applicator and then we're going to put this perm lotion on. When it smells like perm. You don't even need a whole lot of this. Like, there's so much left in here. The crazy thing about this for me is that you can do this at home by yourself. Like, this whole perm situation is like crazy to me. But it's not burning my eye or anything like that. And I'm making sure to stay away from my upper waterline. All right, so now let's wait the 12 to 15 minutes. I'll be back. All right, we're back. It's been 15 minutes. So now we are going to remove the product with a cotton swab. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the fix lotion. It says to apply this to the middle section of your lashes. Now it says to apply cling wrap. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and leave this on for 10 to 12 minutes and I will be back again. 10 minutes is up. Now I'm going to take this off and then we want to clean this off with a cotton swab. Now is the time to tint if you're going to tint your lashes. We're not going to be tinting lashes today. But we're going to move on to step 5. We're going to use a damp cotton pad with a small amount of water to gently detach the lashes from the pad. They're starting to come off of the pad. Ooh, and look, we already got some lifted lashes right here. I'm like, ooh, ooh, like what's it about to be? Oh my god, okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and gently remove the silicone pad from the eyelid. Okay. And now we gotta clean this off. We gotta clean off the lid really well. Make sure there's no adhesive there. Ooh. All right, now look at it. Okay, so already you can see that they're lifted. Look at that. How crazy is that? Now it says to comb your lashes with the brush. Let's go ahead and comb these. Ooh. What? That is crazy. Okay, so we can see that there's like a little red irritation right here. Now, I'm not sure if that was from the actual silicone pad right here, which I think it was because it was getting a little bit itchy. Um, yeah, I don't know. It doesn't burn or anything right now. I also could have gotten some product up here, so you want to make sure that you're careful with that. When I do the other eye, then I'll be more careful with the product and stuff like that, and then we'll be able to see if it was the actual silicone pad that may have irritated my skin a little bit, or if it was the product. But I mean, shoot, that's crazy. Now we apply the Nourish lotion. And I'm going to need some eye drops after this. It feels like my eyes have just been open for so long. This Nourish lotion is to revitalize your lashes. So you're going to take some of this on a cotton swab and just go ahead and apply it like that. I'm applying it like I would mascara. Taking it from the base and just running it up my lashes. This is so crazy. Oh my god. And they give you such a generous amount. So I could really use the small pad because if I wanted like more curl, but this right here, remember this is glamour. All right. So I'm loving this glamour lash that I got going on. I can't believe this because I was like, look at my little bitty lashes. I did not know what to expect. I did not know if this was actually going to lift them to where I could actually see them like this. I didn't know. But now I know. It looks like I have on a light coat of mascara. This is crazy that I did this right here at home. Comb your lashes from base to tip. Get that Nourish lotion going throughout the lashes. That is crazy. That is crazy. I just look at this. Just look at this. I love it. All right, so if I'm looking like this, then you guys can see the before and the after. How crazy, right? I don't even know what to say about this. This is just so crazy because I did not think that with my short lashes that I was going to get this much lift. I just didn't think that. So I am over here just pleasantly surprised. Like, look at that. Look at that before. Look, like lashes, where are you? I don't know. Bam, there they go. All right, so the things that I would take away from this are one, when you put the sticky pad on, you want to make sure that it is adhered very good. All right. If it is curled like mine came curled, then I mean, you can bend it back a little bit and kind of adjust it like that and then place it on. The next thing is the glue. I would make sure that you apply the glue in little spots at first. So you would just gradually put it. So put a little bit right here, comb those lashes up. Put a little bit right here, comb those lashes up, and just continue on. You don't need to just put the glue along the whole silicone lift pad. Yeah, and then just be patient when you are combing your lashes up because it can take a little bit of time. Just trying to make sure that your lashes are straight and not overlapping. That can take a little bit of time. So just be patient with that. Follow the directions with regards to timing. I would also say to make sure that you stay away from your upper waterline because you do not want any product to get on there because it could burn your eye. And then lastly, with the saran wrap, you want to make sure that you just take a little piece, just cut off a little piece or whatever, and then just place it on there. And at first I was scared to do that because I was like, oh my God, you know how when you bleach your hair, then it warms up and it gets hot. I was thinking that it was going to potentially get hot and I was going to feel that on my eye, but I did not feel that at all. So that was good. My last and final note on this product is that you want to make sure that you have dedicated time set aside to do this. You do not want to rush through this process. And this process can take a little bit of time because you have to apply the silicone lift pad, you have to apply the adhesive, make sure that your lashes are nice and straight. That takes a little bit of time. Then you have to put on the perm, wait for 12 to 15 minutes for that. Then you have to apply the fix lotion. That takes an additional 10 minutes. If you're going to tint your lashes, you need to take into account the time it's going to take for you to mix up the product and apply that. That takes about an additional 3 minutes just with the product on there. Then you need to gently remove your lashes from the silicone pad, which can take a little bit of time as well, and apply the nourishing lotion after. So just to be safe, I would set aside about an hour to do both lashes. This was my first time using this product and trying this product, and it took me about 35 to 45 minutes to do. As I continue to do it, then I'm sure I'll get quicker. But again, just make sure that you have that time set aside to make sure that you're not rushing through this process because you want your lashes to come out looking good, okay? Like mine. Make sure you guys click the link in the description box below to go get your lash kit today. Each lash kit comes with 3 applications, so you can do 3 lash lifts out of each lash kit box, which is great, and the product is also very affordable. I will see you guys in the next video. I was about to say have a great day. Bye.